Hello my friends, today we are going to dairy farms in the states of California and Texas in the United States to see how caring for thousands of dairy cows and harvesting billions of pounds of milk happens. Currently, the United States is the fourth largest country in the world in terms of dairy cows, with about 9.4 million heads and an annual milk production of 220 billion pounds. After birth, these calves are separated from the mother cow, and the workers here act as their mother. According to statistics of the United States Department of Agriculture, each year about 8 million calves are born, and about 500,000 calves die soon after. In addition, 450,000 cows die in the lactation process. Calves with health problems will also be kept separately for medical care. For the first month of their life, the calves will be kept entirely indoors. Currently, California, Wisconsin, Idaho, and Texas are the four states with the largest number of dairy cows in the country, of which California alone has 1.7 million cows. Cows are considered mature when they reach 13 to 15 months of age. Many people believe that dairy cows have a special diet with lots of grains. However, the reality is that more than 60% of dairy feed in the United States is grass and corn silage. Annually, cattle ranchers in the United States consume about 315 million tons of silage. This is the process of harvesting corn silage on a farm in Texas. There are currently 351 dairy farms in Texas with about 600,000 cows and an annual milk production of 15.1 billion pounds. At this farm, dairy cows are fed twice a day, in the morning and evening. In addition, thousands of dairy cows are also massaged to relax so that they are always in the best spirit. This also greatly affects the ability to produce milk. Cow dung here will also be cleaned with this machine. We advise that you not eat while viewing these images. If only milking cows with a small number of individuals, this machine will be used. In the US, the average dairy cow produces more than 7.5 gallons of milk per day. If she was only producing enough to feed her calves, a dairy cow would only produce about a gallon of milk per day. When it is necessary to milk cows in large quantities, hundreds of cows will be brought into this factory. They look like spectators sitting at a football stadium. Once the milking process is complete, thousands of gallons of cow's milk are sent to milk processing plants or cheese factories. This is what happens at a cow cheese factory. Do you like to eat cow cheese? In 2020, total US cheese production was around 13.25 billion pounds. Wisconsin is the nation's leading state in terms of cheese production, with 3.36 billion pounds. In second place is California, with 2.5 billion pounds. Currently, the United States is also the country with the largest cheese production in the world. The next countries in position are Germany, France, and Italy, respectively. How do you feel about dairy cow care and cheese production in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.